Hey everyone! The LG Sound Suite represents a new direction for premium home audio systems, combining modular wireless speakers, intelligent audio processing, and spatial sound technologies into a flexible ecosystem designed for modern living spaces. At the center of the system sits the LG Soundbar H7, which functions as both the main soundbar and the intelligent hub that coordinates the entire audio ecosystem. Powered by LG's third-generation Alpha 11 AI processor, the H7 performs advanced sound analysis and processing in real time. It identifies different types of audio content, including dialogue, music, and cinematic effects, and automatically adjusts the sound balance to maintain clarity and impact. Supporting the soundbar are wireless surround speakers such as the LG M7 surround speaker and the more compact LG M5 surround speaker. The M7 speakers are designed for larger rooms and more demanding surround duties, while the M5 models serve as flexible secondary units for expanding the soundstage. Low-frequency performance is handled by the LG W7 subwoofer, which provides the deep bass necessary for cinematic content and music playback. The W7 is responsible for handling the system's lowest frequencies and ensuring that bass remains controlled and balanced across the listening environment. Users can build a system around the soundbar as the central hub or integrate it with compatible LG televisions. When configured with the full range of components, including the H7 soundbar, 4 M7 surround speakers, and the W7 subwoofer, the system can reach an impressive 13.1.7 channel output. A major technological highlight is support for Dolby Atmos Flex Connect, which removes many of the traditional limitations associated with home theater speaker placement. Flex Connect automatically analyzes where each speaker is located within the room and adjusts the audio output accordingly. Another advanced feature is Sound Follow, a technology that allows the system to track the listener's location. Using ultra-wideband wireless technology together with the LG ThingQ mobile application, the system detects where the user is sitting or moving within the room. Once the listener's position is identified, the Sound Suite adjusts the audio balance and directional output so that sound appears to originate from the ideal listening perspective. The system also includes Room Calibration Pro, an intelligent tuning process that analyzes the dimensions and acoustic characteristics of the room. During calibration, the Sound Suite evaluates reflections, distances, and furniture placement to determine how sound behaves in the space. It then modifies speaker output levels, timing, and equalization to produce a balanced and accurate sound signature. The Sound Suite also emphasizes high-quality audio hardware. LG incorporates premium drivers designed to reproduce both high and low frequencies with clarity and balance. Overall, the LG Sound Suite represents a modern interpretation of home theater audio. Instead of focusing purely on raw power or traditional wired speaker layouts, LG has built a system centered around adaptability, intelligent processing, and wireless convenience. By combining AI-driven sound optimization, flexible speaker placement, and immersive spatial audio technologies, the Sound Suite attempts to simplify high-end home audio while still delivering the depth and realism expected from a premium entertainment system. With its planned launch in South Korea starting in April 2026, the system highlights LG's continued push toward integrating smart technologies into the home entertainment experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.